Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's video. So this is something a little different to what most of you guys are used to, especially if you came here for all the heavy metal related stuff I usually do. But a little bit of backstory for those who don't know. In 2011, when I had not long turned 11 years old, I did a series called Calendar Day, which is where every single day I would open the Lego Star Wars set behind the doors of the first ever Lego Star Wars Christmas Advent Calendar. In 2011, it was the first of its kind. It was a really exciting thing, and I concocted the idea to open every single door every day and make a video on it because at the time it was special. So as an homage to that, bearing in mind it's exactly 10 years ago that it happened, and as part of the continuing 10th anniversary celebrations on my channel, this is LEGO Calendar Days 1 to 24, which is all of them in one video. It begins on Christmas Eve and ends, well, just now. So I hope you enjoy. If not, just wait for my next video that you're into. But I would really appreciate it if you stay and just, have a little look. You might even enjoy it. Who knows? Can't know till you try. Anyway, I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a very Happy New Year. See you soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are doing the LEGO Star Wars calendar for 2021. Going to be a bit of a speed run because I've left it to do all 24 days until Christmas Eve because I've been a busy boy, haven't had time to even do a single calendar day for the entire month of December because I was working at the beginning of the month and I don't even have enough time in my mornings to do a sodding calendar. Never mind film it. So here we are. Much like the old calendar day videos of 10 years ago, I am wearing my dressing gown because it's that time of year. So, let's do number one. Number one, there we go. What is number one? It's a tiny little model of Razor Crest. Lovely. Bloody hell, I've got a feeling I'm going to need a hell of a lot more time than I've actually got on the camera. And there we have it. That was, yeah, that was alright. That wasn't too hard. So, we have the little Razor Crest. Here it is, the little Razor Crest. Mini Crest. Meow. There you go, flying straight at you. Right, let's do the next one. So, the next one is another little ship. Hello, one. Interesting. The whole purpose of doing this little video, sort of to harken back to the good old days of StaticYonder, when this channel was named Squid Yoda, and it was 10-year-old / 11-year-old me making Lego videos on YouTube because I wanted to be the next Pizza Movies and or Fliplit. So, looks like only studs along 2, nice and easy, there we go. Now you guys might be wondering, why the hell did I stop doing Lego videos in the first place? Simple answer, I grew up. More complicated answer, it's a very long and arduous process to make stop motions. It's not easy, it's not for everyone. It was definitely for me, but the older you get, the more life gets lifey, and the more the things that require immense patience, despite being things that nourish your soul, require more time than you are actually able to give them. To the point where I've had to neglect even doing these little calendar videos right until the very end. We're going to cut again to finished model, and I may even have to continue this tomorrow morning on Christmas Day, so there we have it. It's a little starfighter of some description. Not actually sure what it is or whose it is. Feel free to rage at me in the comments about that. I might be missing something really obvious. There you go. Little starfighter of some description. Move on to number 3. We have Stormtrooper minifigure. We won't even need to skip for this one. He can go inside my Star Destroyer. And if you're asking what Star Destroyer, well, exactly 1 year ago, I built this, which I've aptly named the SS COVID. I built it while I was infected with COVID. Almost exactly a year ago, and I've put every Stormtrooper I have available in my possession inside of it, so this little guy will probably end up in there as well, become a part of that mini-man crew. There you go, isn't he nice? Look at all that printing.
Back in my day, Stormtroopers had hardly any of this sort of thing. We used to have to draw it on ourselves using Sharpie pen.
Alright, I'm not going to do that voice anymore because that's so bad for you. But yeah, there you go, Stormtrooper, haha. Day number 4. What's day number 4 got in store? I believe this is the gun that the Stormtrooper doesn't have. It's an E-Web turret that we've got to build. So let's build that E-Web. And would you look at that, the E-Web turret is complete. So the E-Web turret has been completed. It's a nice little construction we have here. If you guys want to know what an e-web turret is, all you have to do is watch, I believe, the penultimate episode of the first series of The Mandalorian, where Giancarlo from Breaking Bad explains in great detail what an e-web turret is. I can even give our stormtrooper friend a little handgun, a little pistol, so he's got a weapon now. Bang, sorted. He's got a pistol and a turret. Now on to the next thing. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, this will be the last one for today from my point of view. I'm going to do number 5 and then we're going to cut to Christmas Day because I want to go to bed. We've got little targets for target practice for the Stormtrooper. Stormtroopers doing target practice. Why is that ironic? There you go, nice easy build. So do you know what? We might even be able to squeeze one more out of me before I go to bed. That was easy. Right, number 6. Ah, what is that supposed to be? I think it's another ship. Right. Once again, I'm afraid we're going to cut and show you the finished product. And there you have it, the little ship from day number 6. Just give you a little closer look. Awesome. Little ship there. Very nice. Don't know what it is, some kind of transport. I like it though. I could even use that in the stop motion. Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching so far. We're going to cut to Christmas Day. Oh. And here we are, Christmas Day. We are on number 7. What is number 7? It's a little ship of some kind. Cool, let's build it. So, it turns out it's a tiny little land speeder. Very similar to the one we actually saw in The Mandalorian, piloted by Brian, I think it's Posehn, it's pronounced. He's most well known for his role as Bert in The Big Bang Theory. He plays a character in The Mandalorian in the very first episode who drives a speeder. It's like a Christmas-themed land speeder type thing. So, there you go. And here we are on Boxing Day, doing the next one, I suppose. Number 8 is next, present series. Number 8 is a Tusken Raider. Very nice. And I think that means we've got a little Tusken Raider cannon thing coming up next, because that seems to be the way it goes. I'm so old that I had the old one from 2002 that didn't have a tailor-made head. There you go. Little Tusken Raider for you there. See the figures in perfect focus. Back in my day, just to have a 720p camera that could focus properly and manually was like the epitome of what you needed to be a Lego YouTuber. Okay, number 8, let's go. No, number 9, sorry. Little thing, looks like it's got a gaffy stick in it, so I'm guessing it's a little entrenchment for the Tusken Raider. And there we go, entrenchment thing. I really like about these newer sets is that with the Sand People, they come with actual like gaffy sticks, which if you don't know is the main weapon of the... Back in my day, they used to just come with little musket style rifles. Yeah, awesome. Number 10, we got what I can only assume is the crossbow. Well, it's quite nice actually, to be honest, this little crossbow thing. It's really nice. Let's put it with the Tusken Raider. There you go. Sorted. Number 11. That's an X-Wing. Very nice. Right there. Very nice, actually, to be honest. Nice little model. Can go with my Star Destroyer, fight against it, pew pew, all that. Day number 12. Ah, TIE Fighter, as if on cue. Number 13. Scout Trooper! I am sort of trying to imitate the style I used to do these videos in back in the day. Trying to be over-enthusiastic like I was when I was a 10-year-old child. To be fair, for the asking price of this calendar, what you get is really good. Like, it's very reasonable. There you go. I think a minifigure is like £2 or £3 alone. There he is, the Scout Trooper. I believe the next thing is going to be a speeder bike. Day number 14. No, it's a little weapons rack thingy. Little weapons rack. Cool. Let's build it. There we go. Nice, simple, easy build. Nice little weapons rack thing there, and you can sort of use it as like a defensive position. So the Stormtrooper could sort of stand on this side here and then look through this hole and sort of shoot at whatever's attacking him. So Scout Trooper's got the pistol there. Can't wait to put all these Stormtroopers inside the Star Destroyer, just like I did with all my clones inside the Jedi Cruiser. By that I mean the one from the Old Republic, not the Venator. I have one of those but never built it because it came disassembled. Okay, number 14 we've just done. Now we're going to do number 15, wherever the hell that is. Ah! The aforementioned speeder bike. Again, the amount of things you get inside this calendar is actually really generous. I recall with the first calendar, what you got was alright, but it was quite sort of moderate. What we get in this one is like I say, quite generous. Little speeder bike. I feel like I've built this exact speeder bike before. Maybe it was like part of the Hoth set or something from 2009. I don't know. And he's got his pistol out there. He's just sort of pursuing somebody. And it's too small a bike to have its own guns, I guess. So he can like use his pistol. Nice one. Again, really generous with what you get in this calendar. Number 16. We have speeding some kind. I think it's the one. Maybe the one from The Mandalorian. This astromech piloted, the land speeder thing. I don't know. So here it is, the finished model. I think I know what this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be that little truck that Din Djarin hides in or hides behind in the first season of Mandalorian, where he's being attacked by the Imperials in the city, and then the Mandalorians all show up and save his ass. But I think this is supposed to be that little astromech piloted vehicle of the droid. So yeah, I like the way they've done the astromech there. It's like a miniature one. 17. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. We're on the home stretch. We can click off this video very soon. What have we got? We have absolutely no idea what that is. So again, we'll just build it and see what we come out with. Let's go. So it turns out this is a mini Architens class cruiser. This is obviously the Imperial version. Most people will know it from Star Wars Rebels or even The Mandalorian. Because Moff Gideon has one, I can't get this camera to focus. It's seen in live action for the first time when Boba Fett is flying up towards it. It might have been seen before that, I don't know. But next day, day number 18. It's a little probe droid of some sort. Yeah, it's got a syringe. An interrogation droid. There you go, your little probe. Well, interrogation droid. Cute, isn't he? Hard to imagine that he's basically a murderer and torture device. Moving on, day 19. Day 19! Slave 1. Awesome. I'm gonna go build mini Slave 1. Boba Fett's main starship, the Slave 1. So here we are. I like the way they've done that. Could have been worse. There we go. Right, number 20. Here we go. An assassin droid. I assume specifically IG-11. Because this is a Mandalorian themed set. Hope you guys have had a wonderful Christmas. Got another Singer breakdown or two in the pipeline. I apologise about the M Shadow Singer breakdown, by the way, guys, because it was actually released on Christmas Eve, but due to copyright being a thing, got delayed. Obviously, it did get unrestricted, and we're all good now, so I hold no animosity. It was just one of the copyright bots seeing the footage I used and going, no, you can't use that. He's got a claw on his back, apparently. Yeah, I'm excited to find out as to why that is. But here we go, number 21. Another gun rack. I can't lie, I love things like this. Little gun racks and stuff, because they're so useful and they can be used anywhere. Well, it looks really cool. Got a Din Djarin style rifle there, or Boba Fett if you remember the holiday special, considering watching that as part of my Christmas ritual, and then an ordinary rifle next to that. So yeah, really cool. Then we got this little hinge piece here. It's like a light of some sort. And then some glass up here. I guess it's like a screen or something. 22. It's Yoda. Was it Baby Yoda? Is it Grogu? It's Grogu! Oh my god, he's tiny. Holy shit. That is small. So cute. He goes in the backpack. That is adorable. That is the cutest thing I've seen this Christmas. Maddie got a animatronic Baby Yoda. Or sorry, Grogu. So the fact that this is cuter just goes to show how cute he really is. Yeah, number 23. Oh, it looks like a little cot for Baby Yoda. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's build it. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Amazing. And it's Christmas themed. It's got a little bit of red on it. That's amazing. This one is the 24th. This is Din Djarin Christmas flavor. Look at the scarf. That's cool. And there we go. I love that arm printing. That is just premium arm printing right there. Even got the signet of his house, the sigil, Mudhorn that he killed. Sorry about my dirty nail there. And you got the blaster and whatnot. I love Mandalorian armor so much. We'll give Din Grogu on his back there. There you go. And we'll even give him his rifle from that one weapons rack. Din Djarin ready for war, fighting against anyone who'd hurt his little Grogu. And I believe that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in and spending some of your lifetime watching this video. And there we have it, everything from this year's LEGO Star Wars calendar. Thank you all very much for watching this video, especially if it's not what your usual type of content is. I really appreciate you supporting me. Thank you so much. Please rate and comment, let me know what you thought of the video, and consider subscribing if you enjoyed, or if you're into my normal kind of content, sort of heavy metal stuff, music, and short films, and, you know, all sorts of fun. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.